Hi guys, this is your very welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take the tour of Gokarna Hostel. So this is a common area. From here you can see the common restrooms which you're noticing here. So if you come early before the check-in time, so you can take wait in this common room and you can use that restrooms, common restrooms there. And this is a view from the top floor. So you can directly view the Gokarna main beach. So even the morning and evening vibes would be really good, guys. So this is a common room, waiting room. So we have like few tables and sofas where we can take rest. So that was the first floor, guys. So when we walk to the down floor, we get to see the Mantra Cafe. This is a reception which is at the entrance. So if we go in from the receptions, we will get to view the Gokarna main beach from the ground floor. So the next to that adjacent we have this Mantra Cafe, and we have some seating arrangements here at the outside of these dorms. So this is a mixed dorm where we have 6 beds, and actually in the photos it looks like more clear, but during the stay it's decent. And if you are a solo traveler, I would request you to at least stay at once in these hostels because you get to have a lot of experiences. And the comfort is also quite good, guys, because these are all AC dorms, so we'll get individual beds, and we have the individual light, and the bed also they would maintain it very neatly, and reading lamp is also there. These are all wooden dorms, guys. If you are worried about your bags, they provide lockers as well, so you can use them. So from here you can just chill out, sit here, and then if not, if you are feeling hungry, you can go to the Mantra Cafe, and the view is really good even from that cafe as well. So I'll attach the snaps, you can just check out at the end of this video. And there are not only dorms, there are other cottages also, private cottages, so you can check out those as well. And the cost would be around 1,000, within that range you'll get, guys, but I wouldn't say this is cheap, but you get cheaper hotels in this Gokarna, but this was like, if you're going on a solo travel, I would say you get to explore other fellow travelers as well from here, so try out once. And this is the entrance to this hostel, and from here we are going to visit the Gokarna bus stand, and the distance is from the bus stand to hostel, it's around 1 kilometer, so it's walkable distance. And in this road only vehicles and like scooters or bikes and autos can enter into this path, because the road is very narrow at the entrance near Mahaganapati temple towards this hostel drive. So if you're coming in through four-wheelers, so there is a different route from the Kodal beach. And the Gokarna city has a lot of ancient constructions and ponds. So here you can notice that the pathway is very steep. Even the autos also would be like only one auto can cross at this pathway. So the opposite one which you're seeing is the Mahaganapati temple. So this is a Gokarna. If you take left, you would reach the Gokarna main beach. But since I want to go to bus stand, so I've taken the right turn. And this is the Gokarna main road. Here you find a lot of priests and their cultures. It's all very unique and it's very pleasant city, guys. And there are a lot of temples as well in this location. So the overall experience was quite good, guys. So I would say the charges would be around the thousands on the weekdays, and if it's on the weekend, you might still get on like 1,200 or 1,500 range. So do plan and visit next time if you're going there. So this is the bus stand. So the walking distance is very nearby. It's almost like 1 kilometer max. The distance is from here. So it's walkable distance. If you're coming through bus, and these are some of the snaps you can from inside the hostel. Okay, these are the inside view of the dorm. And this is the entrance. This is the sitting area. This is a mantra cafe. And those are cottages. Thank you for watching.